Well, it's another very wonderful, lovely moment on Asabi Africa TV. By the special grace of God, we are again in search of direction for the country, and we are trying to see what the people of the great country Nigeria can find in the polity, what is going on, and how can we go about it psychologically, spiritually, and even politically. And that is the reason we are right now in the palace of the man of the oracle, the great man that God has been using to give direction to his people in Nigeria, in Africa, and across the world. The Egbeji Ologun of Nigeria, in the person of His Royal Highness Oba Dr. Augustine Bola Adegunloye. We've been trying to reach out to him in the couple of weeks, especially some 2 weeks ago when some things changed in the political arena, but unfortunately he's also been busy. Most of the time was out of the country, and right now he's around the country. So yesterday when we got the signal from his aide that we should come to his palace in Lagos, we thank God we are in his palace now, and after a spiritual exercise this morning, we are very free to meet him. Good morning. We are very, very humble to be with you, sir, and we thank you for giving us another chance to be able to get the direction on the country and what we need to do. Sir, first and foremost, sir, why have you been so scarce recently? It appears that you've been so busy, and some couple of weeks ago we were trying to reach out to you. We didn't know what happened, but they say you are maybe busy praying for the country. So what has been happening with you, sir?
Thank you very much, brother. I've been very busy because of those programs we have done before. So people are calling me, so I have to attend them. So I'm always very busy. Now I travel out. I've just come back. You know, so many people. It is only in Nigeria they don't need their people, but people who really knows about me are calling me, and they want to know about me. Today we are highlighting on the presidency, the vice president, religion, South Africa crisis and national issue. Ember months and people are abroad, and Lagos and Sanwo-Olu.
Okay, sir, that's interesting, because these are we have something like that we want to ask you. And when we heard yesterday that the oracle has revealed so many things to you, we said let's make it a quick one today to hear from you, sir. Looking at the country, the presidency, what do you think is really going on right now? You are the one that you predicted, I think some couple of months, maybe 6 months ago, before the election. You said that we should warn the vice president not to go for a second time because of his soul, and that he should just go away when the ovation is loud. And with the video is still on our channel, and a lot of people have been attesting to it. In fact, some people say we should come back and ask you that is it that your prophecy is now coming to pass? Because just last week the vice president was stripped of his office. The economic committee that he was heading was taken away from him, and we have a new economic committee headed by Professor Ayo Salami, who is a professor of integrated economy, and some of the ministries under him has also been taken with the lasting instruction that anything he has to do, he must take strict instruction from the president. Is as good as people are now seeing him as maybe like a condolence vice president without a portfolio, like almost like a glorified secretary to the president. Sir, what do you think is happening? Is it your prophecy that is coming to pass? Because you are the one that said he might meet his Waterloo when he comes for second time, sir. What's happening?
Well, see, definitely I start from the presidency. You know, the oracle will always be telling me that Abuja and Lagos need cleansing. Which involving Nigeria in so many ways. You know, insecurity, lot of things happen to Nigeria. Personally, Buhari need cleansing.
Oh, you mean the president himself?
Yes.
Or the Federal Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces?
Yes, they need to do some ritual for him. Not that I will take him to go and bath in the sea, but I will do something in his name. Though he have been trying, but there are a lot of things. He's trying, but the people around him doesn't make everything to be all right. So, like you are saying, there are a lot of challenges, insecurity challenge, economic crisis, and lots of life. You know, so many people have died. You know, and like I told the vice president before that he should not go for the second term. I saw a lot of things that you be very careful, and there are a lot of things going to happen to him.
So even before the two plane crashes, you told us last year the same thing, that you should be very careful, that because of his soul. You gave warning to two people then, to the Vice President Emir Sibaju and one Senator Remi Tinubu, that's the wife of Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the former governor of Lagos. Yeah. You know, you warned these people critically and you emphasized on Sibaju, but suddenly we just saw that the helicopter fell down inside the dust in Kogi State, and one helicopter has nearly fell down in Abuja when it was going for a program with the custom. The helicopter was quickly aborted and all that, and it now came by road back to Aso Rock. What is happening to the Vice President? Does it need spiritual cleansing? Does it need to go? Is it river, maybe to bath, or to have fasting? Which one?
Definitely, I don't need to take him to any river to bed. Okay, sir. But what they are doing, they believe that they are redeemed something, that they are having everything. You know, they don't believe in everything, and he really know that before his birth there were nothing like redeem. I have been carrying on his life when he was in the school, was in university, everything. He didn't know anything about a redeem there, and he was doing very fine. There need for spiritual healing for him. There need for something to be done for him. Now he's wearing black cloth all about.
Black cloth. No, that he has been wearing to the market to go and give them money.
No. He's wearing to those people that have problem. Okay. Some people that died, he's wearing black cloth. It's very bad though. There need something to be done for him. If not,
Oh, you mean the black cloth is wearing is dangerous?
It's dangerous. Something may happen to him that he will surely wear the black cloth among his family. I don't wish him so. It's what I see through the other oracle. The oracle said he should do something for himself. If not, there will be a lot of things. And they have not seen anything, no. This is just the beginning. He's going to face many things.
He said if the Vice President must succeed.
Yes, he must stop wearing the black cloth. Even from wearing the black cloth, he must cleanse himself. Else, some terrible thing may happen to him and his family. Yes.
So what do we need to do? Because now he's a redeemed pastor. I mean, before he became Vice President, he was controlling one of the biggest and the most richest chapel in Banana Island. I think I've forgotten the name of that, the redeemed parish that was controlling one of the biggest and the most elitist parish. And he's a man who believed, I mean, the efficacy of our Lord Jesus Christ. He even said that before he crashed, the plane crashed, that Pastor Deboye prayed for him and all that. Does he need something beyond fasting? Because I'm sure that he will also be fasting, maybe white fasting or something like that. What does he need, sir?
My brother, there are need for spiritual cleansing. We don't use human being to do sacrifice. We do ritual. I'm a foodist. You know, somebody know the religion of witchcraft. There's something we should do. See what is happening in Nigeria now. Nothing like kidnapping before. There are kidnapping everywhere. There are raw people all about, which is not the best. You know, there's something to be done. See our junior ones now. Imagine somebody of 17, 18 is killing somebody, robbing.
In fact, there's a guy that is not even killing women across from Port Harcourt in the paper now. The guy said he has killed one. Is it Gracious or something? In Port Harcourt, the guy said he has killed 7 people. He had killed 5 in Owerri, and we didn't even hear about the Owerri. He killed 1 in Lagos, and he killed like 5 in Port Harcourt. You know, it's called this Rivers serial killer. His name is David Gracious, something like that. You know, is it a bad spirit? I mean, you just sleep with them. After sleep with them in the airport, you just strangle their neck, then use the pillow cloth to tie their neck, tie their hand and tie their leg and escape. Until now, one of the hotel now capturing with camera. You know, so is that part of the spirit that is hovering around in this country?
Definitely, Nigeria has forgotten our forefathers. They have been ruling this country very safely without nothing. During the time of Akintola and the early time of Awolowo, there was nothing like this now. Because those Baba, they know about the ritual. They do it generally because of the commoners. But now people don't do it again. They say, I may belong to Christian. And the Christian, I mean the Muslim part, they have sex. The Christian too, they have sex. 2 Christian, you are from Redeem and from the other side of church, they cannot make friends.
That is Winners and Redeem, Christ Embassy, Household of God.
They don't make friends. If they see somebody is wearing bead in my hand like this in the bus, they'll be running for him.
Things Babalawo or something like that.
Babalawo is a wicked person, whereas them two are very wicked. Yes, it is only God that can judge us. I cannot judge you right. You cannot judge me right. Only God Himself that knows, and not this our life. It is when you die, you want to go to heaven, that somebody is on the gate who will stop the person. That's why they are calling Jesus. Now they are calling Jesus more than God, who created Jesus Himself.
But Pastor Yemi Osinbajo is like a born again Christian too. He has just one wife. So how did he now fall into this crisis, sir?
Who?
The vice president.
He must fall now because he's doing something on the night that somebody doesn't know. But God knows what he's doing, which is wrong. You know, people just like say, I'm going to social church, I'm going to that church, then they want to be named. It's not like that. On every action, there must oppose and equal reaction. Only God sees somebody within his mind. God knows what one is doing. Now you are redeemed now. You cannot do good to your friend. There are people, the big houses, and people renting their house. If they cannot pay for a more, they drive them out. Okay, look all these big churches. They are buying a jet, and there are people who cannot pay their house rent there. They still contribute money. So what can all those big people be telling people or doing as an example to commoners? Look at what is happening in Nigeria now. So many people are dying in South Africa. Some plane want to be bringing them down. Some pastors have about 4 or 5 jets. They cannot use that jet alone to carry people freely.
They said that the jet has limited seats. That's what they are saying.
What is it immediately?
That the seat is not so much inside the jet.
And you'll be carrying what you can carry now, and they know actually that you are carrying people. And the jet are not all right. They don't employ engineers that can work on them. They will just very soon now that going to be a very serious plane crash. Yes.
Involving one of them.
Involving all of these people having jets because they are not able to take care of them.
I hope their body will not be lost inside the sea so that the fish.
People will lost, so they will even some will plunge inside the river. They forget about him, lie, because they don't want to do something. And me personally, as I've been doing this program, from NTA to Channel 5. I've been doing a lot of program. When I have a lot of people that came to me that time, I don't do bad. I don't use human being to do anything. And I don't substantially want money from people without a cause. Yes. When I was doing that program at NTA to Channel 5, Reflection Cultural Review, amalgamating the authors and the traditional medicine together. Go to Cotonou here. You go to ordinary pharmacy. They will be selling their medicine. But why? We people that are doing this thing, the 419ers are stealing the business from everybody. I see some people now. Now, they are trying to, they are trying to be using my name. They are trying to be using my name. That they will use my name. They are Augustine Bola Adegloye. They are Egbeji of Nigeria. They are doing this and that. God will punish all those people. They will die in their house, private houses. Whether the sort of power they get, they don't get the power past God. God will smash them down. If they don't stop it, some are using my name. Some are using my account. Some are using forged account to take money from people. They are not cheating me, and they are not cheating the people. They are cheating God Himself, and God will retaliate to them, and they will all die.
Why are they doing that in your name to make money and all that? Because
they are not popular.
Is it because you are original and they are trying to create the fake edition of Egbeji?
If they want to do that, I'm a secret man from heaven. That 7 years I kept my mother's womb before I was born. That made me to be different to people. Yes, and don't say I'm the best of all the life, but myself, I used to do what God wants me to do. I don't do anything for money.
Because we are surprised for the fake one to now start emerging. Maybe they've seen the originality in you and they want to create a fake edition.
Look, somebody came here one time here. He was asking, he said, how this motor, daddy, you don't get money. I said, I cannot be so foolish. Go and use 3 million, 4 million to go and buy car. They dash me. And once they dash me, I can't dash people. Yes. when they dash me, I cannot give it to people. You know, it's good to do good. We have been telling them to do good. It's good to do good. Some people are say they are pastors. They are just known that some pastors are committing adultery every day. They are committing great sins.
Fornicating, sleeping with women, small girls and all that.
Too much.
Even married women.
They are sucking their bread. They are prick all about in the hotel.
That's crazy, sir, because we've heard a lot of stories recently in the Christendom, and we're
that one led to this this man that was having power in the Bible.
Samson, sir.
Samson.
Brother Samson.
Yes.
And Sister Delila.
Woman brought him down.
That's Sister Delila.
He said, what is the secret of your power? He said, it's in my hair. Somebody don't barb my hair. They barb my hair. That's all. And they barb his hair. They arrested him. They tied him in a very big wall. They didn't know that when the hair had been growing, the power had been coming back. More than 5,000 people died with him because he removed the pillar of the building.
The foundation.
Yes, and the whole thing calmed down. So, my brother, it's very good to tell people don't do this, don't do that.
Sir, no, I want to ask you before you go to South Africa and Nigeria now. How can we help this Vice President Yemi Osinbajo? We need to deliver this man, sir. He's the Vice President of Nigeria and he has worked. If you look at him, he has campaigned everywhere. He's always sharing money in the market, from Kwara to Bayelsa to Oyo State, Ilesha, everywhere, even up to Lagos. In fact, at the time they were even calling him the Babaloja of Nigeria, because he has been sharing money and is very dedicated to his job. He is the most hardworking vice president who has flown. If anybody die in Lagos today, he's there. Somebody is crashing me now. Within the same day, he's there. Back to Abuja. So how can we help him, sir?
Definitely, Yoruba says, "Èèyàn ní kọ́fẹ́, ẹlẹ́rù ní kọ́fẹ́." Now somebody go say, "Help me carry my load." Not be person go carry load put for somebody head. Somebody who doesn't even care if somebody want to help him. As a Yoruba now, you say Yoruba. I've been doing this program. At least it's in the position to say, Baba, if not 10 naira take, you are paying for the whole nation, but never in life. They believe in redeem. And they don't know that even all of them, they are sort of bad thing they are doing. Even the person that owns the redeem, what they are doing under him is very bad. You don't even know. See, they say they build a very heavy university.
Yes.
Their commoners cannot go to the university.
University, sir.
Yes, commoners cannot go to university.
Well, even some of the pastors cannot send their children there, sir.
They cannot go there because of the establishment money they give to people. It's too much. So that is why Nigeria need to be so peaceful. During the time of Akitola, Awolowo, those early time, those days, I think they made the Oba of Ife that time as a governor.
And that's the son of Oniadesoji. He's the late Oniadesoji of blessed memory.
They made him
Governor General of the Western Nigeria.
Yes, and he did well. Look at what is happening to this man. This man that who was a deputy governor, was a governor one time. Otedola.
Okay.
Look at what this Otedola did. Okay. We have been helping so many people.
Yes, he has helped Christian Chukwu, the former Nigerian coach who was sick. They also helped Sadiq Daba with $50,000, who was also sick, the former NTA broadcaster. Then he's now saying he's going to pay the money for Magic Fashek now, who is sick now. He has paid already. So he has been helping a lot of senior citizens who are challenged. That's Mr. Femi Otedola. Do you see that one as an act of Good Samaritan?
Otedola is God's chosen. If you see the process the father came in, there were two people running for Lagos State.
That was Sarumi and Agbalaji.
And they failed.
Yes,
they went and took his father.
From NRC, sir.
Yes. To make the governor of Lagos State. The man doesn't contest he contested, but they didn't take him. But
not popular, sir.
It's not popular. But God chose him from heaven. Then they went and took him to be the governor of Lagos State. See what the son is doing now. This man. Dangote. He got the money, except the trailers will be killing thousands of people. Look at what happened at the GTB Keneko.
No, it happened in Ikorodu recently. Killed a lot of people in the BRT. The trailer has been waving and killing
once people. He kill people
since 19-something, sir.
Once he kill people, the money will be increasing. Is that a genuine money? That is a fake money. God too, when he die, he can never go to heaven because he have bad malam that is leading him. They are not leading him in a fruitful way. We never heard of his name. One day that he give 10 kobo to anybody, just to be buying trailers and trailers that will be killing people.
They say he has foundation that is having foundation that is taking care of some people.
Foundation?
Yes, sir. Dangote Foundation.
Where?
Dangote Foundation or something like that.
He doesn't. All those are fake. We don't hear of that. People who eating under the money will be saying, Dangote is this, Dangote is that. Nobody can say somebody is righteous. Nobody can say this is righteous, this is that. But except God himself that can assess somebody is righteous. You can't say because I go to church, I pray that this my place is strong in this in a Muslim this. That's not the best.
So that means Adedola has been appointed by God to be extravagant.
Yes, and he will chop his money to the oldest time. He will not die young because his father doesn't die young. His father was almost 80, 90 before he died.
Yes.
And nobody say bad about him. Look at Jakande.
He's 90 some 91 now or 90.
But Jakande betray Awolowo. That's why we go to Jakande now. Don't go 10 kobo. You start doing as somebody who have become a governor before. Look at the houses that are built in Lagos because of the budget. President Buhari should try to improve the economy. Nigeria are suffering. Even the rich are lamenting.
The rich of this country.
They are lamenting, they are crying because their business don't go through. If the president have to open the border, he will know that you have less job because people will be eating. They will not depend on him. President. But because president cannot help the whole world, the whole Nigeria, as I'm saying.
He's trying to ensure that the food economy is grown, that rice should be produced locally. That's why it's closing the border, and that there should be local production and sufficient food locally before they can open the border.
But them too, they cannot eat local rice. No presidency can eat local rice in life because it's full of stone. They can't eat it. The next thing you have to do, open the border and let people be feeding themselves. Then he will have less job to do. No problem for him again. Yes. So if not so, you have to do something. If you don't have to do something, there will be problem for him every time. Here and there. Yes.
That's the president.
Yes. Because he cannot do more than what he's doing. If not that things are very bad. The president has done a very great thing. No ever a president that came out to say corruption is the one who say
yes.
Corruption.
Why is it corruption?
Yes. President Buhari must open the border and create employment for the people, for the youth. The Nigerian youth are becoming criminals. There is need for urgent attribution to attention to create employment for them. You know, if you don't create employment for youth, how can they do? And I want the federal government to go into the education now. The money they are taking is too much. Imagine now, during our time, when you are in primary 5, when you leave that primary 5, next year your junior one will be reading the book you read in primary 5.
Yes.
But now they don't do it so. They will condemn the whole paper because the schools are enriching themselves. They are more than churches.
In a bad way.
They
want the next child to buy entire copies of books.
Yes, which is very bad. I want the federal government to go into that area.
Private schools, have you?
Yeah, the private school is very bad. It's not that money they are using.
Are they somebody?
Imagine somebody who is working in the ministry and they are paying 20,000 and you have about 2 children, 2 or 3, and they are going to school. Each of those people who are paying 100,000, how can he finish those tasks? It's not possible. So I want the federal government to go into that area. It's too
education
much.
For children.
Yes, area for education.
Education is expensive.
Yes, it's too much. And after that, those people will go on. They will spend the money. They go and do youth copper. After the youth copper, they don't have work. That's why you see criminal robbing. So they will go into a junction. They will have, what can we do to have money? One woman is in my street too. He used to leave door without opening this and that. From there, they started going to that process. Yes, because of money.
Or to do Yahoo.
Yahoo self. Oyibo don't chop our forefather money. The government doesn't. It's good that they are scrutinizing them because people don't like to work again. They just like that process, Yahoo. And when they get the money, they will buy the car their forefather has not bought in life. They will be going to hotel, be enjoying, which is not the best.
Some carry some big women that their forefathers are not carrying.
Some used to marry because of staying in a country. They marry 16-year-old girl, old young girl, 16-year-old. How can it bear for them? What can they have for them? Some now are still suffering in the yard now. Yes, because I want to have money, I want to do this, I want to do that. I want to have the money your father doesn't have. I want to have the money your mother doesn't have.
I did like marry their ancestors, sir.
They are marrying people 80 years old, they can marry him. That is why they are seeing sickness. Imagine all those boys now.
Yes, sir.
If you carry 20 boys in a town now for a test, I'm not a doctor, go and put them in a room with a woman. Only 2 people can able to set somebody.
Why?
The rest don't have pig. The pig don't die. You are coming to me now. Then I want my pig to sing. I say so.
They want their pig to sing.
To song.
Okay, to song. I think it was to sing hip hop.
No. To song like iron. I say you can't spend the money because the money I will ask you to do it will be very costly for you. I say daddy, I will leave them like that. Some say kiss you as you. What is worrying their life is that they are sucking the private part of a woman, which is the worst. No, our government should have to cease from that side. Not that they say Yahoo boy, they are riding motor, they do. The government have to put some level on them. You want to ride motor of 1 million and 10 million and 50 million, you can do, but you need to pay so amount. If government is doing so, it's more than they are arresting them up and down. The money will be going inside the coffin of federal government. Because I'm sorry, most of those policemen that was to arrest them, you didn't arrest them in a way. Here they arrest 10. If 5 can help them with money, they will not take them to anywhere. They will just win the money. That's why I'm telling them, some policemen have changed. Yes. If they want to scrutinize people, they should come to this our area. They know Ishoru Estate, this Bokno. There are very many in the hotel, international hotel. Some are there, international hotel. Rent, pay more than a year. They are there. They are eating. They are doing everything. And they used to go out. Their boys used to go out and commit havoc. So there are need for police to scrutinize the whole hotel in this Shoro Estate, Bokno area. EFCC rather. Yes.
The EFCC should scrutinize most of the police in the Jigbo area and the hotels in the Jigbo area.
Yes.
And check out the expensive hotels.
Yes, and know what they are doing there. There are some big man, the young boy there. They pay for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, and they are going out from there to do havoc, maybe by night and a day. You know, so there's something to be done. There need for something to be done urgently.
Then what do you have for Nigeria now? Because the way the country is going now, the banks are now saying they want to be charging money for deposits. The House of Rep is saying no. Even the other day, Gbajabiamila Amila is saying that he called all the service chief and none of them listened to him. They didn't appear in the House of Rep that is going to report it to the president. There is a lot of confusion here and there. So what do you think Nigeria needs to do at this moment so that we will not be in crisis? And on the last note, sir.
Yes, Brother, Nigerian to pray against flooding. Nigeria must pray against place of plane crash and the Amber period and tough time need for the Nigerian police. Nigerian police, SP the cop, I cannot play for their death. But what is happening, they are using the police force to quench all matters. They make them to die. They have wife, they have children, they have their family. Why are they doing that? No? There are some policemen who are calling me, and Daddy, I want to drink from that water in the snake something. I want to do this. If it were our time, police are doing something according to their right. Now, police are not somebody who can help.
Why, sir?
Because they are using the power against anybody they can do.
They are using the power negatively.
Negatively. They are very wrong what they are doing. Imagine something just happen. They'll be arresting people all about.
Just like that.
Yes, they say they are arresting Yahoo. Imagine the boy they arrested. He has not ate since he was born. He no chop in trouser, don't cut finish. Where he will manage to do the Yahoo? He doesn't have a house. Where you say you park his property. Where property he have? Huh? So the police should go and think. The officers should tell them to be thinking very well before they arrest people. They arrest people anyhow, which is not the best.
You said that some of those people they arrest, their spirit is bad. It's react badly.
Some people now say the police slap somebody, bam. He don't worry. When he reach house, they say he picking nowhere. That's how he started running up and down the hospital after he died. You know, many things will happen. I won't say the police should not do their work, but they should do it righteously. Yes. When they say you should arrest A, you arrest A, B, C, D. It's not the best now. Nobody doesn't like money. Some people will like to collect our money, and those money are used in the wrong way. Some use them to drink ogugo. Some don't even take it to the house of their family.
Most of them are eating pepper soup at the joints, and someone.
You don't see their stomach. Imagine a police corporal in big belly. Can he run? Can he do any jogging? He cannot do. Now Gologbo officer, he say, yes, I'm a policeman. Bele come out to wing. It's not the best now. Original police who is serving the police, you will see the police in his body. By going out, he'll be very loyal, he'll be very peacekeeping. No, he will not like trouble. Police will say, do you know me? I'm policeman. I can do and undo you. It's not the best, so it's not the best. Not the police, not the training they took from their organs. Yes, the police training they are starting. It's not those one they are using. They are using it to see that to comply with themselves. You know,
to fill their stomach.
To fill the stomach and make bang belly. Chop this thing. Yeah? Most of this one you see their belly big. He cannot have sex the wife again, no. He just make bang belly. I am a policeman. See their children. If you be like this one and their children, it be like a children of she-goat. Is that a picking? So they don't worry about that. It's only some senior officers in the police know who are attending to university level. They will do with their people very diligently. And what they are doing with their work, they know that they are going to work, not to work for their belly. Work for belly. Belly big like a pot of cocoa pot.
Nigeria police in trouble, sir.
Too much. I was a police officer, but it was not like that. Police were not made like this. And the training is still there. Police will never tell you, say, when you are going out now, go and do this, go and do that. They are using all those things within themselves.
In fact, now we recently arrested some people with police, and I discovered that the police are used to arrest people after some time, they will tell you, we want to go and catch somebody, give us money, we give them money, we get vehicle to go and arrest the person. Then you see, give them money for motivation. Then after sending the whole case, you now see them with the person you arrested. They will not be doing deal with that person, collecting his number, collecting his phone number, and you'll be wondering, why?
How will they feed their belly? How will they ride motor? You see some police corporal now, they have more than 10 danfos. They have more than 5 Marwa. How do they manage? Is this their salary that make them to be so? Even all this one they say corruption. The corruption should start from those people. Yes.
But the Yoruba say, come on, Jenly, come on, Jenly.
Ah, dábàá jẹ́nlé orò ajẹ́nlé eégún ni kò mọ́ fi kún. But ilé orò mi ò ṣe jẹ́ dábàá jẹ́ abẹ́yàn ní kù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni olùdàfin sọ pé kán ṣọ́ra. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àánú wọn ń ṣe mí, wọ́n fẹ́ máa pa wọ́n sí òkú díẹ̀. Wọ́n máa pa ṣàkàṣàkà nù wọn, because they will send them out next election. The next election will be very bad in Nigeria. We will never witness such an election. The whole Nigeria. Yes. So many things will happen, except Rushwa is done. If Rushwa is not done, everything will happen. They will know. I'm not praying you, and I don't wish people. I don't wish bad for police. I don't wish bad for people. But people doesn't take care. Care will take himself.